In this Brevo full course tutorial for beginners, you'll learn how to use Brevo step by step from account setup to email campaigns and automation. I'll show you how to verify your domain, build email lists, manage subscribers, design professional emails, connect Brevo to WordPress, and also send automated newsletter the right way. This Brevo full course tutorial for beginners is designed so you can follow along from start to finish or jump to any section using the timestamp. Let's get started. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share a specific video that it may be helpful in your case, which is how to create a Brevo account. If you encounter an error during the account creation, yes. Okay, let me show you the issue first. If you go or if you visit brevo.com, you will land on this page. If you try to sign up or click on sign up for free, fill your email address, password, and hit create an account. I remember that when I tried to do this months ago, I received that there are an issue with creating my account. I've tried multiple times during different days, and the error remained the same. What I did to create my account successfully, I've to create my account using sign up with Google. I clicked on sign up with Google. I selected one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Then sign up with Google. I clicked on sign up with Google. I selected an account, my Google account, and I followed the process. And after that, when I try to log in to my account, I simply click on sign in with Google, and automatically I select the same account, and I've created my account, and this is my way to sign up to my Brevo account. And this is how to encounter errors while creating your account in Brevo. If this simple tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, and thank you for this. See you in the next one. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to verify your domain name in Brevo. Let's see the domains. This is my domain name, and as you see, it is authenticated. Same thing for the sender, using the same domain name, it is verified. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then you click on your profile from here and click on settings. Click on senders, domains, and IPs. Now jump to the domains tab. And as you see here, I already added a domain name that is not verified yet. So instead of starting verifying it, I will delete it first to show you exactly what you will see. This is the page you will see in your case if it is your first domain name. Now click on add domain from here or from the bottom. It's the same thing. Click on it. A new window pops up. Here, fill in your domain name. In my case, my domain is dotcom.builders. Click on add a domain. and you will see authenticate your domain name. Here there is multiple methods to verify your domain name. You can authenticate the domain name automatically, which is recommended. You can authenticate the domain yourself, which is manually, or you can ask someone else to authenticate the domain for you. For example, a developer that builds your website. The easiest way is to go with the automatic method, which is the recommended one. So select it first and click on continue. Here, Brevo uses a service called Entry, which is their domain authentication partner to help you add the DNS records easily to your domain. Here, this service here, let me explain you what will happen. After clicking on continue, they will analyze your domain, then they will detect the DNS provider. In my case, it's Hostinger. And after that, they will ask you for your Hostinger account login credentials. Here, it's simple. This is my Hostinger domain account. And if I click here, logout, and I try to log in to my Hostinger account, where my domain is registered, I will fill in my login email address and password. Those credentials, those credentials are the one you should fill in here. So just to not confuse you, to not be confused, fill in. I will copy them like that, and for the password, I remember it. After that, click on continue. They are now like login to your Hostinger account or domain name registrar instead they are logging instead of you, and they will make the needed changes to your domain, which is adding DNS records. For security reasons, we need to verify your identity. A unique code has been sent to your registered email address. Please check your inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it in the field below to complete the login process. This additional step ensures your account remains secure. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. So I will log in to my Gmail account. And this is the login verification code they sent me. Enter it here and click on continue. In your case, you will be a different login code, login verification code. My bad. They couldn't find my domain name in the Hostinger account I gave them. I gave them a different Hostinger account, so I forgot to give them the correct one. So don't worry, it's the same process. I will give them the correct email address again. So this is the correct Hostinger email account or account email, and let's give them the same thing. Let's enter the login verification code. This is the verification code. Let's enter it here and hit continue. They are setting up my domain name. Your domain has been authenticated. The complete authentication on your email domain provider side can take from a few hours to 48 hours. This is usual because DNS changes requires a little bit of time to take effect on the full internet. So sometimes DNS changes shows up on the US and not on the Europe side of the internet. So this is why they let you know about this waiting period. Click on back to domain listing, and as you see, domain status, my domain name is authenticated now. Let's view the configuration. As you see, the Brevo code values in Brevo on your domain name account match. So this value is added, or yes, this txt value is added to my domain name correctly. Same thing for the dkim record, dkim2, and the dmark record. All of those are detected successfully, and this means that my domain is fully verified now inside Brevo. And this is how to verify your domain name in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to use your domain email address as the sender in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account, then click on account username from this corner and click on settings. Then jump to senders, domains and IPs. And first, let's start by adding a sender using your domain email address. As you see before this, a sender is the name and email address that help recipients recognize your brand and feel confident opening your emails. So this is a very important step. Till now, I have this Gmail email address sender, and to add my own one, click on Add Sender. Here, fill in your name, for example, Ben. And for the email, this is my sender email address, ben@dotcom.builders. Then click on Add Sender. You will receive a code, a verification code on the email you've just added. I had difficulties receiving this verification code, so as you see here, after even 10 minutes, I still didn't receive the verification code. So what I will do, I will do it later, because I've tried. Let's show you the message I received. Ben email address, click on send. As you see here, once a domain is authenticated, which I will do in a minute, you can add and use senders without having to verify them. So I will authenticate the domain. So this is my domain name. Click on add domain. If you don't know, or if you didn't receive this message, you can simply close the sender creation part, go back to here to domains and click on add domain, and here you can fill it manually. Click on like that, click on add a domain, authenticate your domain name. Here the authentication can be done automatically, which is recommended, by yourself, which is manual, or ask someone else to authenticate the domain for you, which can be a developer. But for this video, I will go with automatically because it is easier and fast. Click on continue. Here, Brevo will use another service called Entry, which is their domain authentication partner, to help you add DNS records easily to your domain. Click on continue. They are now analyzing my domain name. They detected that my domain name is registered on Hostinger. Getting your setup details. Here, Brevo will ask for your Hostinger account credentials, and by Hostinger login credentials, it simply means your Hostinger account email address and password here. So I will fill mine like that and hit continue. For security reasons, we need to verify your identity. A unique code has been sent to your registered email address. Please check your inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it in the field below to complete the login process. This additional step ensures your account remains secure. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. So I will, and this is the login verification code received from Hostinger. Enter it here, click on continue. setting up your domain. And as you see, your domain has been authenticated. The complete authentication on your email domain provider side can take from a few hours to 48 hours. This is totally normal because any DNS or domain name server change requires a little bit of time to take effect on the complete internet, because DNS changes are known to take effect on some parts of the world, on the internet world. For example, it can start showing up your new credentials or your new information that Brevo added to your domain name records can start being detected on the US and not on the Europe side of the internet, for example. This is why they let you know about this waiting period. Now click on back to domain listing, and as you see from the domains tab, my domain name is added and also authenticated, in another way, verified. If you click on view configuration, you will see that the Brevo code is added. This is a green message. Same thing for the DKIM1 record, DKIM2 record, both added. And the DMARC record is added but not detected yet. This is totally normal because DNS requires a little bit of time. Click on check configuration. This time, if you click on check configuration and the record or the values are not detected, don't worry about this. This is totally normal. As you see, as I click on check configuration, some values are detected and some are not yet. Click on back to domains. Now that my domain is verified, I can go back to the senders page and try to add my sender email address. Click on add sender, fill in the name, the email address, dotcom.builders, and click on add sender. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.com.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this .com Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. As you see, this time my domain email address is automatically verified because my domain was verified before it. And now let's see that this sender, or let's start using this sender. For example, if I go to the campaigns under marketing and click on create campaign, let's create an email campaign. And here, let's give it a test campaign to delete later, to remember it. Here below sender, as you see, by default, it uses my Gmail email address. If I click on manage sender, I can select to send this campaign using my domain email address. And this is how it looks like. Ben. Let's click on send, and now it uses this just to make sure that your domain name email address is used as the sender. And this is how to use your domain email address as the sender in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a sender in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then click on your account username from this corner and select settings. Now click on senders, domains and IPs. And as you see here, I have from this senders page, I have two senders, one using my Gmail email address and one using my domain username, or yes, using my domain name. Now to delete this second sender, simply click on these three dots and select delete sender. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Active templates and automations, scheduled campaigns and lists should be updated with another sender. Click on delete. You have deleted sender successfully. And as you see, if I refresh this senders page, I will only see the Gmail sender. And this is how to delete a sender email address in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a new email contacts list in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account, then click on CRM and click on lists below contacts. Now to create, those are my current two lists. Those are my two current email lists on my account. And to create a new one, click on create a list. A new window slides in. Name your new email list, for example, just emails list to remember to delete it later. Here, select one of the folders available here. Any account will have this folder called your first folder. After that, click on create list. And just like that, your email list has been created. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And just like that, your email list has been created successfully. Now if I click on it, as you see, my new list has 0 contacts. And this is how to create a new emails or contacts list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to manually add a new subscriber to your email list in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM and click on lists. Here you will see the available lists in your Brevo account, and the email list that I will use for this video is this one called test emails list to delete. Right now it has 0 contact. Let's click on it. As you see, this email list has 0 contacts. I will go back to the emails list, then the contacts page. And from this contacts page, click on this create a contact button to manually add or create a new email subscriber. For the first name, I will call it test name. For the last name, I will jump it. For the email, I will add this test@dotcom.builders. This is the email address that I will add. For the double opt-in, I will go with yes. It means that this email address is confirmed. For the list, I will say. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. For the list, I will select my list. It's under this folder called your first folder. And this is the test emails list that I want to add my contact into. Close this. For the opt-in, yes, this email opted in. My bad. I already selected double opt-in. So for this, I will skip this field. Associated to companies, I don't have a companies. For the time zone, I will select this time zone, for example, and then click on create. As you see, the contact with this name is created. Let's refresh this emails list and I should see my contact added. As you see, this is my newly added contact. And this is how to add, or this is how to manually add a new subscriber to your email list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to import email contacts in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM. After that, click on lists to see the available emails list or contact list in your Brevo account. After that, select or click on the list that you want to import your email contacts on. And my bad. Before clicking on this or before visiting your contact list, click on yes, Next to the email list that you want to import contacts on, click on these three dots and select import contacts to the list. Here you can either import from a file, import your contacts from a CSV file, Excel file, or TXT or text file. You can also pass the contact as text from a spreadsheet or a similar list, or you can import them from another tool. For this video, I will import them from a file and click on select your file or drag and drop it here. Before this, you can download an example file. Let's open it. And this is how your email list should look like. So I will use this file to first, or I will add, let's give this contact ID number 1. For the email, I will add this email, for example, imported email at gmail.com. For the first name, I will call it imported name. For the last name, I will call it imported last name. For the SMS, let's give it a phone number, landline number. I don't have one. WhatsApp, interest. Okay. Then I will delete the other selected rows to only import one email address. Now I will save this. I will call it, for example, emails list to import, and I will save it in this download folder. Click on save. Now click on select your file. I will go to download. This is the email list to import. Double click it. Your file extension is not CSV, Excel, or text. Email list to import. As you see, it was called, it used the extension number or numbers because email list to import numbers. Here I am using a MacBook computer. This is why the file was saved using this different extension. So what I will do, I will open this CSV. I will also open the other, or I will open the dot numbers. Then I will save it in the correct format. I will export it into a CSV. Then I will call it emails list to import to export. Now if I click on select your file, this is the new or this is the correct file extension, and as you see, it uses CSV document. Click on open, and this time it was imported successfully. As you see, this is preview of my file, a single row with this email, first name, last name. Use AI suggestion for data mapping. It can take additional time for processing. I don't want to use AI. So click on confirm your file. Since my email or imported email does not have a contact attribute, you should, my bad, your field cannot be empty. Select an option. Existing, do not import. Okay, I can do this. The other landline, do not. I will select, for example, this landline. For WhatsApp, I will use this. Country code and phone number combination is not valid. Country code, and what is the country? Okay, I will go with the Morocco. Let's look for Morocco. Country code, same thing, landline, or I will go with do not import. Okay, click on confirm mapping. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including One's about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished complete, or I've just, yes, I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Here I need to select a list or an emails list where I want to import this email address. I select or I work with this test emails list to delete. Select it like that and click on confirm your list. Finalize your import, update the attributes of the existing contact. Opt-in agreement, I confirm that my new contact adheres to these conditions. My contacts explicitly gave me their permission to send email or SMS campaigns within the last 2 years, or had been asked to within the last 2 years, or these contacts were not borrowed from a third party, these contacts were not purchased or rented. Yes, my imported email meets one of these conditions. Now after that, click on confirm your import. And just like that, import has been completed. Now let's check my list again. As you see, test emails list, I've used it. And this is the imported email or contact. This is the name. As you see, it says imported name. And this is the email address. If I click on the contact name, of course, later I can edit the first name, the last name, the email address. For example, let's say this one was called Bart. Update the name and click on save. And now if I go back to the emails list, I see that the contact first name is updated. And this is how to import a contact. This is how to import a contact, an email contact list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to download or export your contact emails from Brevo. As you see, let's give this a try. And this is a demo of the exported email. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM to see the available email contacts on your account. Next to contact, click on this square and to select all contacts. As you see here, I have on this account, I have 106 email contacts, my bad. After selecting your email contacts or simply the ones you want to export, click on more actions. From this list, select export. You will land on this page. As you see, 20 records selected for export. After that, select information to include in your export, adjust file settings and choose your delivery method. So for example, for attributes, by attributes, they mean the email, the last changed, creation date. This information, for example, the email, it means the email contact. The last changed, for example, if the email contact changed something, for example, the time or something, and also the creation date when this exact email address is joined your list. All of this information can be exported to be imported in your, for example, another email marketing provider. Yes, I recommend you to go with double opt-in status, contact time zone, first name, last name, contact ID, or contact ID. The important thing is the last name, first name, contact time zone, double opt-in status, or simple opt-in. The email address, the last changed, creation date, those can be ignored. Now that we changed the attributes to export, the system data and the subscription, the system data and subscription, I didn't understand them, so I will not talk about them. For the file export, you can you can select the column separator from semicolon to comma. This depends on your next email provider, how it works, or your personal choice. And for the delivery and preference, you can check send export by email. The export with a link, with a download link, will be sent to your account email address. And remember my preferences for next time. After to start the export, click on start export button. They are not my bad. I've selected I've selected only 20 contacts from the 106. Why? I think after clicking on this little square next to contact to select all, I forgot to click on select all contacts. And as you see, 106 contacts selected. Let's repeat the same thing. Export. My preferences are remembered, so I will directly click on start export, and they are now exporting 106 contacts. This can take a few moments. You can go to notifications, this little icon, to download the export. Now that the waiting time is completed, I've received a message, and this is the email that you will receive. Your contacts have been exported. Please download your contacts file from here. Click on it. Let's open this file, and as you see, those are the email accounts I had on my accounts. And this is how to export your email contacts from Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to update an email contact information in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, log into your Brevo account, then go to CRM, and you will see a list of your email subscribers. You can see them all from here. Later you can jump to the second page. Let's edit, for example, this email contact or email subscriber. Simply, let's say I want to edit the first name, click on it like that, and add or update the first name. You can also update the email, any information about this contact. You can also edit the email status, subscription status, from subscriber to blocklisted. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And you can block all senders for specifically for this email. There are multiple things that you can do. After that, don't forget to click this save button. As you see, attribute updated, and this is how to edit the email subscriber information in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a contact in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM. You will directly see the contacts in your account, and let's say I want to delete this account. Select it from here. You can select multiple ones or just one email, one contact. And to delete it, click on more actions and select delete permanently. You are about to delete one selected contact. Deleting contact is permanent and cannot be undone. Type 1 to confirm. Let's type 1 and click on delete. Deleting this contact, it can take a few minutes. The contact was called tutorial test. Let's refresh this page. And now the contact is deleted successfully. Now to make sure that my contact is deleted, let's look for, it was called tutorial test. Click on enter. And as you see, no contact is matching this name. And this says how to delete a contact in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a subscriber from your emails list in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM, and here you will then click on lists, and you will see the available lists or emails lists on your account. For this video, I will delete an email subscriber from this list. As you see, this is a test email list with test subscriber. To delete it, simply click on the subscriber that you want to delete and click on more actions and select delete permanently. A new window pops up. You are about to delete one selected contact. Deleting contacts is permanent and cannot be undone. Type 1 to confirm. So I will type 1, click on delete. As you see, deleting this contact, it can take a few minutes. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders. Link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And now if I refresh this page, the contact is deleted successfully. And this is how to delete a subscriber. By the way, you will receive a but you will see a confirmation. Yes, you will receive a deletion confirmation email message from Brevo. And this is how to delete a subscriber from your emails list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete an email contacts list in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM, and below contacts, click on lists. As you see, in this account, I have 3 email contacts lists, and this is the one that I will delete. So click on it. As you see, it has 1 contact. Now to delete this email list, I will go back, and next to it, I will click on these 3 dots and select delete list. Keep in mind that when you delete a list, you do not delete the contacts in it. Click on let's learn more about deleting a list. Deleting contacts, should like delete or block deleting contacts. I'm looking for the list. Okay, now I understand. After deleting a list, you should also delete the contacts in it. There are 3 ways to delete contacts. Okay, let's delete the list first, and then I will look for this single subscriber. Let's remember it. No reply at beantutorial.com. Let's copy this email address, for example, like that, to search for it later. Now to delete this list, click on the 3 dots, delete list, confirm. Deleting list, it can take a few minutes. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now let's refresh this page, and as you see, my selected list was deleted successfully. Now let's go back to the contacts and search for if the contact is still showing up. Hit enter, and as you see, the contact is not found. I'm not sure why they said that the contact will not be deleted, but as you see, let's search in all of the lists, delete, copy, paste again, and as you see, the single email contact that was inside my deleted list is not found. And this is how to delete an email contact list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create an API key in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, Then click on your profile icon or name from here. Then click on settings. Now, yes, click on SMTP and API. Here, make sure to jump to API keys and MCP tab, because if you don't do so, you will generate an SMTP key and not an API key. So make sure you are in the API keys tab and click on generate new API key. Here, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished complete, or I've just, yes, I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Here, name your API key. For example, in my case, I will call it test API key to delete, because I will delete it later. Click on generate, and just like that, your API key, this is it, and you can copy it from here, copy it to clipboard and click on OK. And this is my new API key with the name, the status active, created on this date. And this is how to create an API key in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete an API key in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Welcome to dotcom Builders. First, log into your Brevo account. Then click on your profile or icon name or username. Select settings and click on SMTP and API. Here, make sure to switch from SMTP to API keys. And you will see your available API keys in your Brevo account. Now, I have two API keys. To delete this API key, simply select it like that and click on delete API key. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Are you sure you want to delete this API key? Yes, click on delete. And just like that, your API key has been deleted successfully. And this is how to delete an API key in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect Brevo to WordPress website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your WordPress website, then go to plugins and click on add plugin. Here search for Brevo like that and hit enter. Now make sure to select the official Brevo plugin. How to know it? It is provided by Brevo. So this is the Brevo plugin that we will use to connect our Brevo account to our WordPress website. Click on install now. Click on activate. And just like that, you will see a Brevo. Where is the Brevo? Users, tools, settings. This now, if you don't see Brevo right away, just refresh this WordPress page. Click on Brevo, and here you can either create a Brevo account or activate your account with your API key. Since I already have a Brevo account, I will log into it. Then to connect this Brevo account to this WordPress website, I will look for something called API. It's a specific key. So how to find it? Go to my profile and look for senders domains. My bad. Look for SMTP and API. Here, make sure to select first API keys and MCP, and then click on generate a new API key. A new window pops up. Here, name your new API key. For example, I will call it tutorial test API key to delete, to remember to delete it later. Click on generate. This is the API key. Click on this icon to copy it and click on OK. Now return to your WordPress dashboard, pass the API key here and hit login. And just like that, as you see, my account using this my Brevo account with this email, digital builders reviews at Gmail, is connected to my WordPress. This is the plans. It's the free plan. Right now I have 300 credits, which is from where can I see the credits? Where is the usage? My plan. I forgot. Yes, this is the credit. 3 emails per day. And I have 0 credits for SMS, which is true. I can sync my users. For example, I think the administrator, email, editor, all will jump to the Brevo account, will be added to one of my lists. Access to the list of my contacts, click on it. And this is the email list that I have on this account. Transactional emails, activate email through Brevo. If you go with yes, or choose yes if you want to use Brevo SMTP to send transactional emails. Same thing for the automation, activate marketing automation through Brevo. Choose yes if you want to use Brevo automation to track your website activity, web pushes, and SMS. And this is how to connect. Let's look for web push and the forms. Edit. I think this is the contact form, or this is the preview of the form. Email address, first name, last name. Let's add a new field. You can add a new field from here. For example, the job title. Add multi-list subscription. Please select the list. This is a list name that I have on this account. Let's check it. Your first list. Same thing here, your first list. You can label those coming from your website, compliance note, add captcha, add a term acceptance checkbox, form style. Now for the sign up process, the default one is like this. You can check yes next to double opt-in, which means that anyone tries to sign up to your email list should confirm his email first in order to join your list. This is very recommended to keep a high quality of email subscribers. Now, for example, you can same thing for after confirming their email address. They will be redirected to a specific page on your website where you say something like, for example, email confirmed successfully. After this, you have confirmation messages that you can edit if you want them. Personally, they are good, so don't bother edit them. Now let's test this contact form. So use this short code inside a post, a page, or text widget to display your sign up form. Okay, I will go to pages, add page. For this page, I will call it connected website Brevo form. And here I will pass the shortcode like that. And here's publish. Publish again. View page. This is my page for the email I will sign up, or since I don't use double confirmation I'm not required to confirm this email address, I will use this email address that is not existing. Fill it manually. For the first name and last name are not required. Click on subscribe. And as you see, thank you, you have successfully registered. Now let's check my Brevo account contact page. I think contact involved in conversation, and as you see, my bad. Instead, I thought I will be signed up here, but I was signed up to this new list called contact involved in conversation, and this is the email address I've just added. For the first name and last name, I don't have one because they are not required. Of course, you can edit all of those settings from here. For example, you can require captcha. You can require sending a confirmation email to confirm their email address. You can select a template, confirmation email template from here, or set up a new template. Same thing for the double opt-in to confirm their email address. You can redirect them to a page after clicking in the email. Here, this page should be one of your pages where you say something like your email address, for example, is confirmed. Let's show you examples. For example, this page says check your email to confirm your sign up. Here it says email confirmed successfully. Those types of pages, you can use them here to redirect people after I think you got the idea. Same thing here, redirect to this page after subscription. Okay, that's all for this tutorial, and this is how to connect Brevo form to your WordPress website. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a Brevo sign-up form to WordPress. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo email account like this. Then go to marketing and select forms. If you already have a sign up form created like me, just click on it like that. You will land on this page, scroll down to the bottom, and next to share, click on return to this step, select simple HTML. One click on this code, you will select it all. With the right button of your mouse, click on it, you then select copy. After that, click on done and go to WordPress dashboard, go to pages, click on add page, and here in the where you type your page text, just click on what's its name? It's called slash or backslash. You will it's this is the character I'm talking about. After that, you will see this list. Just click or start to write HTML, and you will see this block called custom HTML. Click on it, paste your code like that. You can preview it now, and after that, click on publish. Publish again, and let's view my Brevo sign up form, and this is how to add it. If your Brevo sign up form is not created, just click on create sign up form, and here you have two options. You can create a full page embedded form, which is a form that you put or embed on your page, or a pop-up, a form that pops up when someone visits your page. Since you are looking for how to create or how to add a sign up form to your WordPress website, go with full page embedded form. Here, give it a name. For example, I will call it, for example, tutorial or test tutorial form. After that, click on create form. Now design the form as you want. For example, I don't like this title, or let's imitate this form that I already use. As you see, this is a simple form with ready to start, so my form should be simple like that. Let's delete this from here. For this email address form, I will uncheck the label form, and same thing for the help text. Then I will add a first name form, so let's look for the name form. Fields, attributes, single I think attribute. I forgot. No, it is not. This is not. Oh yes. From here, select yes. Add the attribute form, just like I did. Select it. Then switch from SMS to first name, like that. Then I will uncheck the label name. Same thing for the help text. Now let's edit this first name. Placeholder. Yes, they call it placeholder. So how to do that? Select it. You can simply, yes, you can select the placeholder text like that by double clicking it using your mouse, and rewrite first name. Same thing for the email. I will call it email. For the button, let's see how to edit this button design. So first thing, I will edit the alignment to the center. For the text, I will double click it. Let's call it something, for example, what I'm calling it on my website, sign up and start learning. For example, same thing, sign up and start learning. For the, I will add an icon. I will copy this text, write it here. Let's delete this. On my Mac computer, I have those icon, so I will write it here, copy, and paste it here, so I can have this. Now let's make the my bad. So you should first edit the button design or button size first, then add your copy. For the button background color, you can change it from here. Let's pick this. I am looking for the yellow color. For the button text, I will go with the black. Change to text. Text. I'm not sure how to edit this. I forgot how to edit this button text. Button text color. Writing direction. Label, I think from the label. No, it is not from the label. Not from the help text. I think the placeholder. No, it is not the placeholder. Title. No, it is not. I'm not sure how to edit this button text. So since I can't, for text color I only use the white. So for the background I will go with the black to have contrast. Now that my title or my sign up form design is designed well, let's click on next to jump to the second step. We strongly recommend you to use reCAPTCHA confirmation to prevent spam bots from adding fake data to your list. I think click on next. After that, select the email list that you want to use to where you will store those sign up emails. I have this list called your first email. Brevo, I think they gave you this email list by default. After that, click on next. Here for the confirmation, you can either go with for email signups, you can go with double confirmation email, sign up or simple confirmation email, or no confirmation email. I highly recommend you to go with double confirmation email. First, let's understand what they mean by double confirmation email. When you go with double email confirmation, here, when someone fill in their information, they will not automatically sign up to your email list form. They first require to verify their email list in order to fully or to completely sign up. This way, you guarantee that the emails on your that people that they sign up to your email list, they have access to the inbox or to the email address they use, to the inbox of the email address that they fill in. Because if they can't sign up with any email, they can sign up, then they may not have access to their email, or they sign up with an email address that they are not checking. So here, make sure to use double confirmation email to help with the quality of your email list. Personally, I go with a confirmation page, or instead of showing the default Brevo confirmation page, I use my own page that I create on my website. Let me show you, or let's create a confirmation page together. So I will go to my WordPress dashboard, go to pages, click on add page. Let's call it, for example, instead, let's ask ChatGPT to write me a sign up for email confirmation page, copy. Okay, this is the title. check your email to confirm your sign up. Thanks for signing up. And this is the copy. I will publish this page. Get the page email. Let's see it first. Check your email to confirm your sign up. Thanks for signing up. We've just sent a confirmation email to the address you provided. Please click the confirmation link in that email to complete your registration and get instant access. Don't see it, check your spam. So here, this is the confirmation page. I will delete this from the page URL. Save, view page. This is the correct link. Delete, add the correct link. So after then confirmation page, after clicking the validation link in the email. Now now we should create another confirmation page that they will see after they verify their email account, their email address, by clicking on the validation link or a confirmation button. Now I will ask, good, now create me the confirmation page after clicking on the validation link in the email. This is the page. Let's create a new page. Email confirmed successfully. Your email has been verified and your account is now active. Welcome abroad. You now have full access to your account and all available resources. What's next? Click the button below to continue. This is good copy. View page. Let's edit the page URL again. Delete this icon. Save. View page. Copy correct link. Then add it here. So the final confirmation email, you can select the default template that Brevo give you, but I think I will skip this final confirmation email because here I've already said what is important, which is email confirmed successfully. So no need to send them another email to now after going with double confirmation email and setting up those pages, click on next. What they are asking for, you have to choose a template for double confirmation email. So here, let's go with default template double opt-in confirmation. Then click on next. Now sign up confirmation, double confirmation email. Now, my bad. This is the current step, which is messages. For the success message, this is it. Your subscription has been successful. The information provided is invalid. Please review the field format and try again. Your subscription could not be saved. Please try again. This field cannot be left blank. Those are the messages that your website visitor will see if something happened while signing up. You can edit those error messages from here. You can fill in your own one. Personally, I like them, so I will go with the default one. Here, this is the important step to share this sign up form to your WordPress website. Here, go with simple HTML. One click on it, you select it all, then click on copy. Now log in to your WordPress website dashboard. Go to pages and click on add page. And let's call it, for example, sign up form page. And here I will use this copy. How to create this? You just watched a tutorial on YouTube. Here, fill in or for my news, or write me a newsletter sign up page copy for my website called Ben's tutorial.com. Here's a high converting newsletter sign up page copy tailored for your website. Build smarter websites. This is the title. Or let's use this one as the big title. H1 for the copy. Join the Ben's tutorials newsletter and get practical no fluff tips on building, fixing and growing websites. Join free. So the first thing, I will add a form here. So click add this character. I don't know its name. I think it's called slash or backslash. So click write it and write HTML just like HTML, and they will give you custom HTML. Click on it, copy the text again and paste it here. You can preview it. This is how it looks like, and I will duplicate it from here. Where is duplicate? This is it, and I will place it in at the bottom. Save. Now let's view the page live, and this is the final result. This is the page title, the first big title on the page. This is the Brevo email form, and this is the copy I've added. This is the duplicated form. And this is how to add a Brevo sign up form to your WordPress website. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to redirect new subscribers to a custom page like this one that says check your email to confirm your sign up after form submission in Brevo. This is a Brevo sign up form. If right now, if this form is submitted, for example, test@gmail.com, and click on sign up, as you see, all I receive is your form, a message saying your subscription has been successful. If I want to redirect new subscribers to a page that says, for example, check your email to confirm your sign up, or for example, email address confirmed successfully, or for example, you joined my email list, whatever your message, it's simple. First, log into your Brevo account, then go to CRM, go to automations, go to marketing, and then click on forms. In order to land on this forms or sign up forms page inside the Brevo, this form is this one called test tutorial form. If I click on it, I will see that I can design it again. This design step is not what I'm looking for. Click on next, or simply click on return to this step. What I am looking for is the settings step. Click on return to this step next to settings. Here, this is the important step. Here you can manage how a sign up is confirmed after the form is submitted. You may display an on-page confirmation and send confirmation emails. Here you can select between double confirmation email, a simple confirmation email, or simply no confirmation email. Now let's define those. Let's explain those types of confirmation before going ahead. A double confirmation email is when you go with a double confirmation email, your subscriber will receive first an email that they need to check and then click on confirm my email address or something like that to confirm that he has access to the email address he is trying to fill in here. If you go with simple confirmation email, any subscriber will if any email address is filled here and the form is submitted, will automatically join your Brevo email list. So no email verification step is required. If you go with no confirmation email, no confirmation email will be sent after the form is submitted. Let's read this. I'm wondering what is the difference between simple confirmation email and no confirmation email. On we are not this is not important to understand what, because I highly recommend you to go with double confirmation email to keep your email list clean and of high quality. Because what is the purpose of letting anyone can access or join your email list if they will not open your email messages later? So to keep your email list clean, the open rate high, and train Gmail, for example, to send or to land your new email messages in the inbox instead of the spam folder. I highly recommend you to go with double confirmation email, because this way you are sure that your subscribers have access to their inbox at least. After going with double, personally, I always go with double confirmation email in Brevo and also in MailChimp when I was using it. So go with double confirmation email, and here check this box next to confirmation page after submitting the form. So here, instead of going with, or instead of showing the default email confirmation page, you can create a page on your website, for example, that says check your email to confirm your sign up, like that, and paste it here. So here, with the setup, after a successful form submission, this page will be redirected to this page. The subscriber will read that he still needs to confirm his sign up with some little instructions. We've just sent a confirmation email to the address you provided. After he open and click on this confirmation email, he should land on another page called confirmation page after clicking on the validation link in the email. Same thing here. You should send it to this or redirect it to this page called email confirmed successfully. So copy this page link and paste it here. And here, personally, I don't check this box next to final confirmation email, because on this page, I already said that the subscriber email is confirmed successfully. So no need to repeat the same message on the page and also in the email message. Do not overwhelm the new subscriber with too much emails. After that, click on next again, and make sure that the update is that the form is updated successfully. Let's copy this form, the HTML code, click on done, and go back to the page where your Brevo form is added. Click on edit page. I will delete this code and I will add a new one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my .com Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Paste the code here, click on save. Let's view the page, and now let's test this new form. For example, now I will use a different name. For example, Bart. For the email address, I will use an email address that I have access to. For example, this Gmail address. As you see, I was automatically redirected to this page saying check your email to confirm your sign up. And just like that, almost instantly, I received this message that says confirm your subscription. Here, the message says, please confirm your subscription. Click on yes, subscribe me to this list. And I was redirected to another page saying email confirmed successfully. And now if I go back to the CRM lists, I will see you could not proceed your request at this time. Let's refresh the page. And then I will select the corrected emails list. As you see, my newly subscriber is added successfully. It was called Bart, and this is the email address. And this is how to redirect your new subscribers to a custom page or a custom thank you page. It was first a email confirmation page, then a custom thank you page in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a photo in your Brevo emails. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account. And to show you how to add an image in your Brevo emails, I will create a new campaign, which is email, of course. I will call it, for example, photo tutorial email. Click on create. I will select the sender to this test email list. For the subject, this is my photo tutorial email subject line. Click on save. Now let's design my email. I will go with this simple template. I always recommend you to go with a text-based email template to have high chances of landing your emails in the inbox and not in the spam folder. Because if an email provider like Gmail sees that you use lots of banners, buttons, and keywords like buy now, checkout, or buy, add to the cart, or keywords like this, all of those factors may trigger the spam filter, and your email will land on the spam folder. Okay, to add a photo to your email, simply close this and look for the image block and drag and drop it here. If for example all of your message uses one block like this, and you can't add your image or photo inside your email, add it below, and then I will delete this, and then add another text block below the photo, and then copy your message, cut, and then place it here, just like that. And now let's insert my photo. Click on replace, then upload, Let's look for a photo from let's use this photo as an example. Click on insert, or yes, insert. And as you see, my image is added. You can add a link to this image. Just paste it here in the link target. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished complete, or I've just, yes, I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Just paste it here in the link target, and of course you can edit the layout of this photo. Let's go with 50%. And of course you can edit this image size from here. You can align it in the corners. For the spacing, you can add spacing and padding like this. And for the content, you can even display or show this image only on desktop, only on mobile, or add a condition from here. In my case, I will show it on all devices. Now click on save and quit in order to send this campaign and see my email. Schedule, send now. And let's send, or let's see how my photo inside my Brevo email will look like. As you see, the email message was received in the spam folder. I'm not sure why. I think the image. Let's call it not spam and open it another time. As you see, the image, I think the image triggered the spam filter. Why? Because I've already, as I record tutorials, I've sent messages from using the same method just 9 minutes ago, and it was received in the inbox. Same thing for this email, for this message. I think, oh yes, this message, this is not a photo, this is a YouTube embedded video embedded in my message. Same thing, it was received in the inbox and not in the spam. So I think this photo triggered or enabled the spam filter. Okay, that's all for it. And this is how to add a photo in your Brevo emails. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a video in your Brevo campaign or newsletter email. This is how it looks like during in the email builder in Brevo, and this is how it looks like when received. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account, and then to show you how to add a video in a newsletter or a campaign email in Brevo, I will create a new campaign from scratch. Create campaign, give it a name to delete campaign, click on create. Recipients, I will select this test email list, Click on save. The subject, I will write anything to skip it. For the design here, to add a video, let's use this simple template. I always recommend you to go with text or to go with a simple text-based template in order to avoid to avoid triggering or to avoid enabling the spam triggers, because when a normal a normal an, a normal person contacts his friend, he does not use banners and does not use keywords like buy now or something that will trigger. Okay, here the principle is simple. Try to imitate or try to look like someone contacting his friend. This is why you should go with text based. Okay, how to add a video, for example. Okay, okay, here as you see, they use or they Brevo provides a video element. You can drag and drop it here, for example. You can start check out this YouTube video. Click again on the video element. Here you can use a text. My bad. You can use you can pass a YouTube video link. Let's open YouTube, for example. Copy, for example, Brevo. Let's use this YouTube video as an example. Paste the URL here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Let's accept the cookies. Okay, I want this video to preview. Rounded corners. Let's add it manually. As you see, what I did in order to get this YouTube thumbnail, I've deleted the last character, which was 8. As you see here, it is 8. I've deleted and rewrite it manually to trigger Brevo to detect this video thumbnail. As you see here, you can also add a video, for example, video link, and you can select this part, add a link, and you can paste your video link in the link target. Click on insert, and you will add your video this way. Okay. You can also edit the video width like that. Let's see if you can do it manually. You can zoom in, or you can edit the video thumbnail size manually. I'm looking for, you can also adjust the video placement or alignment. Content visibility, show on all device, only on desktop, only on mobile. You can add a condition from here. Now let's save and quit. Okay, let's send this campaign Send now to see how my video looks like. And this is the email my email list subscribers will receive. This is the video link, and this is, if I click on the thumbnail, this is how it looks like. And this is how to add a video in your Brevo campaign or newsletter email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a link inside your Brevo emails. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, and to show you how to add an email link, a link in your emails, I will create a new marketing campaign, which is email. I will call it a link tutorial campaign to the lead. Click on create. I will select the recipient, this email address, then create a subject line, a link subject line tutorial. Click on save, and here in the design step, I will go with this simple basic template. I always recommend you to go with a text-based template, because in order to have a higher chances of landing your email messages in the inbox and not in the spam. Because when you use too much banners, photos, buttons, and keywords like buy now, sign up, check my, or anything transactional, this may triggers spam filters and land your message in the spam folder. Okay, how to add a link? Simply write your text, for example, check out my video, select the text part that you want to turn into a link, and click on this link icon. Here, fill in your link target, for example, youtube.com. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Here, fill in your link target, for example, youtube.com. Click on insert. I will save and quit. And now I will send this campaign. Send it now. And let's check it. And this is how my link will look like inside my Brevo emails. When you click on it, it opens the added link in a new page. And this is how to add a link in your Brevo emails. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a button in your Brevo emails. First, I will delete this button to show you how to do it. While you're in the email builder, close this one and look for the button element. Drag and drop it like that and you will see this default button. Click on it and you will see a link or a button link settings. For example, let's add a link to this button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished complete, or I've just, yes, I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And you will see a link or a button link settings. For example, let's add a link to this button, and below and yes, under button settings, you can edit the width of this button. Let's go with 200. I'm not sure. As you see, as I go up the button, you can also resize the button from here by using the sides of the button. You can also edit the button corner. For example, instead of this 90-degree edge, you can go, for example, with a rounded corner like that, like this. You can also edit the button background color. Let's use this red button, or let's go with green. Okay, my bad. Select the button again, click on button settings. For the border, right in direction. Okay, below layout, you can edit the button alignment from right to center to left. For the spacing, you can add a padding with rules, top right, bottom left. Also the margin. Let's use 20 bottom, 20 top. Okay, I'm not sure why the button is resized. I think border, my bad. This is margin for, yes, the padding, I think from here. Yes, let's go with 15 here and 15 here. As you see, now it was bottom 15 and here 15. As you see, now the button restored its shape. Of course, you can move this button up and down using these arrows. You can duplicate the button and use it here to have two buttons. Okay, to remove a button, click on it and click on this little pen. Let's see below spacing, we have content visibility. For example, you can display or hide this button based on the type of device or other conditions. For example, you can show this button only for email viewers coming from using desktop, or only on mobile. Or you can add another condition from here. For example, from this for contacts with this exact time zone, show or hide the for contacts with for example, who added their SMS, does not contain, or any rule you can create. Okay, as you see, now that the button is visible only on a condition, you see here content visibility role. Click on it, jump back to the content visibility, click on show on all devices, and which will go back. Let's preview this email. And when you click on the button, it opens the link, which is google.com in my case. And this is how to add a button in your Brevo emails. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to personalize emails with recipients' names in Brevo. For example, in this email, dear first name, it changed to dear Joe, as you see here. And Joe is the recipient's first name. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account. And for this tutorial, to show you how to personalize emails with recipients' names in Brevo, I will create a new campaign. It is an email, of course. Okay, I will call this campaign how to personalize emails with recipient name. Click on create campaign. For the recipients, I will go with this test list, which has one recipient, which is me. For the subjects, I will use the same subject, save. And here in the design step, I will go with this simple text-based template. I always recommend you to go with text-based templates to have better chances of landing your emails in the inbox instead of the spam or yes, the spam folder. Why? Because banner heavy templates or emails, they trigger the spam filters in email providers like Gmail. Things that may enable the filter, yes, the spam filter, include lots of banners, buttons, and keywords like buy now, check this, or check out this in the cart, or add to the cart, something like this. Because okay, so what you should do, you should look like a friend emailing his friend. So when friends email each other, they keep their messages they use just text. This is why I recommend you to go with text. Okay, for this email, dear customer, here to personalize this email with the recipient own name, click on this customer, delete it like that, and then here click on this add a variable, click on contact attributes, and look for first name. So here, as you see here, this is a variable with this yellow color. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. So here, as you see here, this is a variable with this yellow color. And now dear first name, it will be changed to the recipient's name. Okay, let's give this email a test. Save and quit. Okay, let's send this campaign to myself and you will see the result. Okay, I received the email, and as you see, dear Joe, and this recipient name is Joe. So dear first name changed to dear Joe, and which will be the same with and the same thing will apply to all recipients. And this is how to personalize emails with recipient's name in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to send a test email in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then, to show you how to send a test email in Brevo, I will create a new campaign. I will call it how to send a test email in Brevo, create campaign. For the recipients, I will select this test list, click on save, subjects, I will use how to send a test email in Brevo, click on save. Let's design a text based. Okay. For their customer, I will keep it their customer. Click on save and quit. And here you can either you can send a test email from here, preview and test, or you can start it from here or from this design page from here, preview and test. It's the same thing. You will open this window here. Make sure to click on send test email. And as you see here, who do you want to test your email with? Send your email to selected recipients in your test list. As you see here, till now, I don't have any contact in my test email list. So click on manage test list, and you will land on this page. Okay, here as you see, I have this is my account Brevo email. We recommend that you always send a test email to a group of test recipients before sending your campaign to all recipients. To add test recipients, list their email addresses below with one email address per line. To remove a test recipient, simply delete their email address from the list. Okay, I will add this email address here. Click on save. Test list updated successfully. Now let's return here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished complete, or I've just yes, I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Test list updated successfully. Now let's return here. I need to refresh this page. Now click again on preview and test, search by email. Let's look for Ben. And this is the address I've just added, Ben from Vanilla. Okay, my bad. I forgot to jump to the send test email tab first. Here in the recipients, I select this email I've just added like that. Click on send test email sent, and I've received it like that. As you see, it starts with test in the subject line, and this is the email I've just sent to myself during a test. And this is how to send a test email in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the confirm your subscription email in Brevo. In this video, I will share with you how to go from this default one to this customized one with your own branding and text. As you see, it uses my own brand logo instead of the Brevo logo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account. Then go to marketing and select template. Here you will see multiple templates that you can edit, and this one, or the responsible one about this email, called default templates double opt-in confirmation. So click on it and you will see it like that. Here, don't worry about this sender email. I've added this domain and it is not verified yet. I am working on it as my domain is already verified. Now I should see, yes, it is verified. Now please note that, okay, don't worry about the sender email. So here, to edit this default double opt-in confirmation email, click on edit and you will land on this page with this code. Since we can't edit this code, click on these three dots and select open with the simple editor. And just like that, you will see your default confirm your subscription email, and you can inside this editor like Word, Microsoft Word or something like that. Now let's start customize it. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Microsoft Word or something like that. Now let's start customize it. Okay, what I will do in my case, I will copy this default email, give it to ChatGPT, and this is my default email subscription email, and I want to customize it based on my own branding. Let's attach my branding logo, okay, let's paste this email. Then my branding name is dotcom.builders, and I have a channel where I teach what I teach on my channel. I teach how to build websites, for example. I have attached this photo Where is the photo? I attached the photo to copy my brand color if ChatGPT can. Okay, this is the subject. Where can I edit this? Confirm your subscription. Default. Okay, let's skip to the email body. Hi, thanks for signing up. Okay, this is I will edit or I will delete all of this. Okay, I want to. Okay. Hi, thanks for signing up to dotcom, where you learn how to build, grow, and monetize websites step by step. Before I can send you tutorials and free resources, please confirm your email address by clicking the button below. Okay, the button should be here. So I will copy this part, delete it from here. Okay, like that. Then I will paste this here. Once confirmed, you'll start receiving website building tutorials, hosting, free courses, guides, actionable tips. If you didn't request this subscription, you can safely ignore this email. You won't be added to the list unless you confirm. See you inside ben.com.builders. Let's learn how to build a website the right way. Okay, let's add my own branding here. Okay, add a photo, upload. Now click on insert, and my logo just is added. Let's center it. Okay, just like that. Now let's yes, subscribe me to this list. Okay, confirm my subscription. This is the text I will use, like that. For the button color, I will edit it to match my branding color. I don't know my branding color code, so I will go to this Photoshop online. Then I will paste this logo, go here, then click on color picker, and this is the code. Okay, go to the button. How can I edit this button? Color. Cell background. Okay, this is it. Confirm. And now the button color, background color is similar to my branding. Okay, how to make this text black? I think the gray was good, so I will return. I think this is good. Click on save and quit. Now save again. Save here. As you see, when I save it without activating it, it turned to be inactive. Here, click on save and activate. Okay, let's keep the sender, the normal sender. And now let's refresh. And as you see, this template, this updated template is active. Now let's give it a try. Okay, what is my blog tutorial? I'm looking for the subscription page. I think this is it, yes. Okay, let's give it an email. First name, for example, Chuck. Let's add this email, sign up. Confirm your subscription email to land. This is it. And just like that, this is my new confirm your subscription email. And this is how to edit your confirm your subscription email in Brevo. If you still have a question, of course, I've forgotten. You can also edit other default templates like this. Thank you for subscribing, final confirmation email, and also the unsubscribe follow-up email. And this is how to edit or update your confirm your subscription email in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to contact your subscribers with an email campaign in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on Marketing, and automatically you will select campaigns. When you land on this campaigns page, click on Create Campaign button. Here, select your type of campaign between email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Of course, we will go with email. After that, you can create an email campaign. First, give your campaign a name. For example, I will give it, for example, tutorial test campaign. After that, you can organize your campaigns by creating folders and add your campaign into. For this tutorial, I will keep it simple. I will go with create campaign directly. Now select the sender that you want to use. Of course, I will use my professional email sender. Click on save. For the recipients, here click on add recipients, and then select your email list from this folder. In my case, I will use this test email list. I think that has a single email address. Don't send to unengaged contacts. This is good. To avoid unengaged contacts are segmented based on predefined criteria. You can customize it in the settings. This is a useful feature, but I will not use it. Under advanced options, you can exclude someone, or you can exclude contacts based on the list. For example, I want to send this to this first list, exclude contacts in this other list, for example, or exclude others from this segment, for example. For this video, I will keep it simple. Here you see the remaining emails on your plan. After that, as you see, this selected email list has only one recipient. Click on save. After that, you can add your email subject line. For example, for this, I will use ChatGPT. My bad. I will use ChatGPT. Write me a quick email to send to my newsletter. This is the subject line, and this is the email body. You can use this subject line with a preview text. The preview text provides recipients with more information about the content of your email. For maximum impact, we recommend keeping it under 100 characters. This is the preview text part. As you see, it shows below your email subject line. Now I will click on save to jump to to design my email, create from scratch, drag and drop editor, simple editor, HTML custom code. Now I also have saved templates, campaign emails, basic templates. Let's use this basic or this simple template. I recommend you to go with super basic or text-based templates to avoid enabling the filters of spam filters on email providers like Gmail, for example. If or one of the filters that email providers sometimes use is that if your email is using too much banners, it will not land on it will land on the commercial tab if it exists. With text or with the simple text-based templates, email providers may see your email as a simple person contacting another simple person, or if, for example, an email coming from your friend. So I will delete this first part also, and I will keep this one and paste my email. Of course, I will leave any, or I will try to delete any keyword that may suggest spam. For example, check the link. I will remove it. If you're working on your website, email, or simply I will call it hi there. I will delete this part. My bad. Delete it manually, line by line. How are you? Click on save and quit. Now that I've designed my email, additional settings, let's check them. Personalize the send to field, sending and tracking, activate, subscription. Okay, I forgot an important step, which in the design step here, instead of hi there, I will add this variable contact attributes, and I will search for first name. So here, instead of hi there, it will use hi, then the specific contact first name. Now click on save. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now that my email message is well designed, click on where is the send. You can schedule it and preview and test. Let's send a test. This is a preview, how it looks like. View in inbox. So see, generate previews. Click on generate previews. This is how it will look like in the mobile, on the desktop, mobile based. This is how it will look like on the iPhone. On the iPhone 13. So this is good. Let's even send a test email. Here you can manage test list recipient. You can manage a test list. You don't have any contact in your test email list. So I'm on a hurry, so I will skip this step. Click on send. I'm looking for the send. Yes, now the button is called schedule in order to show me send now. So this is a bad user experience, bad user experience. When would you like to send this campaign? Send it now. Click on send now button. Campaign with this name is scheduled successfully. Where is test? This is the campaign I've just added or just created. It sent a campaign to a single recipient, which is this email address. I think I received a message. I received this email message confirming that on my Brevo account email, confirming that my campaign is on its way. I'm looking for the email. As you see, I received my campaign on this email address, or this single recipient received my email campaign. As you see, instead of hi there or hi anything, it was this word first name, with this first name variable was converted to this recipient first name. Hi Bart, how are you? Best. And this is how to send an email campaign to your email list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a newsletter that automatically contacts subscribers in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then go to automations. And from this automations page or workflows, click on create an automation. I already have one. This is inactive. Let's create a new automation. Here you can create an automation from scratch or use one of the pre-built automations. I recommend you to go with this welcome pre-built template, welcome message pre-built template, because it helps you create this workflow. Click on create automation. Okay, first select the list that this newsletter will start using, or first select the list that this newsletter will see new email subscribers and automatically contact them. For this tutorial, I will go with this test emails list that I have. This trigger only consider the contacts added to the list after the automation is activated. So if you already have email or contacts inside this list, they will not trigger this automation for them. So new subscribers to this list, only new subscribers will trigger this automation. After this, click on next. Time delay. So okay, now that we completed the contact added, or we selected the correct email list to contact, the next step is the waiting period. Here, since or most of the time we want the first email to be sent immediately, so here I will give fill in 0 under below months, days, hours, and minutes to send this the first email immediately. Click on next. At least one field is required to add a time delay. I think I'm looking for immediately. A 1 month period is equivalent to 30 days. Skip guided test. Let's I'm sure there is an option. Let's previous time delay, or skip this guided setup. Continue with guided setup, skip guided setup, and here I will delete this waiting period step to automatically send my first email immediately. Now click on send an email. Here below message, click on edit to edit your first email message. For this first email, I will delete. Personally, I recommend you to, instead of those pre-built templates with lots of banners, images, and buttons, I recommend you to create a text-based email to avoid triggering the spam filters in email providers. So I will delete all elements, then add this simple text element. I'm looking to delete block, yes. Then I'm trying to delete even, cannot delete the block. Okay, I will add this text element here, and then I will try to, you can edit the text element or the text block width. Now let's use ChatGPT. Okay, write me short emails for my newsletter about my dog's blog. Short email, new posts on the blog. I want multiple, or I want three emails copies, one each day. The first one about downloading my free ebook. Okay, free ebook. This is the subject line of the first email. Let's copy the message first, delete this one, add this one. Now, instead of hi there, delete this word and add this variable, which will turn to each contact email first name. Click on contact attributes, then look for first name. And now, hi, first name. This first name part or word will change depending on the subscriber first name. And for the download link, I will select it like that. Or download free ebook. I will turn this part to a link. How to do it? Select it first, and then click on add link, target link. You can paste your link here. In my case, I don't have a download link, so I will go with link. So I will link to Google. Click on insert. After that, click on use. I'm looking for save. Use this design in automation. Yes, click on use this design in automation. And just like that, this email message will be the first, or the immediate message to send. Now you can also edit the subject line from here. This is the subject line. I will call it hi variable syntax. Okay, let's delete this and add this variable first name. Contact, search for first name. Okay, the subject line will be hi email contact first name, download my free ebook, my free dog ebook. This is also the preview text. This line will show up below the subject line in inboxes. Okay, here if you want to add this preview text, you can add a line here. Okay, for the sender, I will use this my professional email address. For the sender name will be Ben. Click on save. Now we've completed the first email. Okay, I will add trigger actions rules. Okay, I will add a time delay below this, which will be 1 day. Okay, click on save. After that, I'm looking to action, add email to contact, trigger. I'm looking for send an email. Okay, it will be here. Look for me for, yes, this is send an email. I will add it below the 1 day period. For the second email, new tips for dog owners. Let's create a new message, basic template, use this one. Okay, let's copy the editing the message or the email but message already shown, so I will skip it now. Use this design in automation. Okay, now let's edit the subject line. This is the subject line. I will not use a preview text. For the sender, I will select my professional email address, and here I will go with save. Okay, now that I have those two emails, now that I have those two emails set up to automatically send this first one immediately and the second one after a 1 day waiting period, I will click on activate automation. New contacts matching your triggers will enter the automation. You can pause or deactivate the automation as needed. Re-enter after exit. If you activate this option, contacts who have exited this automation and match the triggers will again re-enter it. I will avoid re-enter this feature. Click on activate automation. Okay, now that my automation is activated, as you see here, it says active. Click on exit editor. And now my new automatic newsletter is active. Now let's create a form that I will embed or that I will paste on my website to start signing up new people that will receive my messages automatically. Okay, now I will go to, yes, marketing, click on forms. Then I will click on create a new sign up form button. Here you can select between a simple form like this or a pop-up form. I will go with a full page embedded form. Give it a name, for example, what I will call it. I will call it automatic newsletter form. Click on create form. Now you can design your form like this. Personally, I don't use this big title. I delete this title, also this subtitle. For the email field, I delete the label name and also the help text, because on my website page I can add any subtitle I want. My contact form should be simple. Before editing this subscribe page, subscribe button, I will add the first name field. To add it, go back to this page, drag and drop this attribute field, this is it, and paste it here. After that, switch from SMS to first name from this list. Same thing, delete the label name and also the help text. To edit this first name word, just double click it and select and write what you want. First name, same thing for the email. I will edit it like that. For this button, select this button field, and then you can edit the button background color, size, the alignment in the center, for example. To edit this subscribe button word, yes, check or text, select it, and you can call it join my newsletter. Of course, you can edit this button background color, the background. You can also edit this background. I will keep it white. And for you can even use an image from here. If you messed up, you want to return, you can use this reset action. For example, let's say I don't want this red color. Simply click on reset section. My bad. Are you sure you want to reset properties of this section? Let's go with OK. As you see, the last or this background color was reset. I want it to be white, or let's skip it as this blue, for example. Click on next. We strongly recommend you to use a CAPTCHA confirmation to prevent spam bots. Okay, I will skip this step. Now, this is the important step. From this list step, here select the correct list or the same list or email list that you linked with your automatic newsletter or with your workflow. Okay, this is mine. Click on next. Here you can select between double confirmation email, simple confirmation email, or no confirmation email. I highly recommend you to go with double confirmation email in order to this double confirmation email step requires your new subscribers to first confirm their email address or to verify their email address before joining your email list. This way you keep your email list quality high in order to avoid in order to gain the trust of email providers like Gmail. Because if someone didn't, or if someone automatically joined your email list with no confirmation email, most of the time you will get people that do not have access to their inboxes, and this way you will start collecting subscribers that will not open your email list later, which will result in a lower open rate. Okay, go with double confirmation email. Here you can, instead of showing, or for example, if you check this box next to confirmation page after submitting the form. Okay, let me show you examples. For example, after the sign up form submission, I want them to view this page that says check your email to confirm your sign up. So I will copy this page link and add it here. Same thing for the confirmation page. After clicking on the validation link or the email confirmation link in the email, same thing. I will send them to this page saying email confirmed successfully. I recommend you to go with I recommend you to go with I recommend you to use those confirmation pages instead of the default confirmation page from Brevo, or just saying that you are subscribed with a simple message, because this way, if you run paid ads on Facebook, for example, or on Google, this email or people landing on this page can be detected for retargeting later. So this is why it is better to pass or to force your email list subscribers to land on some pages of your website in order you want to target them later. Okay, this one is deleted. Okay, for the final confirmation email, I will not enable this feature because on this page I already said that their email address is confirmed successfully. So there is no way, it is not good to say the same thing 2 times for a subscriber, to not overwhelm with too much emails, too much pages, because after visiting those pages, he will receive an email from us, and this email should be of value. and the value will be in your, in our case, it's a download, an ebook download email. After setting this, click on next. Something is required. As you see, you have to choose a template for double confirmation email. I will go with default templates, double opt-in confirmation, which you can edit later. I'm not sure, I don't remember from where. Oh, okay, I will not say too much to not overwhelm you. Click on next. From this settings step, you can edit the messages like the success message. For example, your subscription has been successful. The information provided is invalid. Please review. Error messages. I am okay with those messages, so I will click on next. And this is the important step. Here, click on instead of iframe. Personally, I go with HTML. Click on this code with the right button of, first with the left button of your mouse to select all code. And after that, click on it again with the right button. Click on select copy. And here, click on done. Make sure to click on done before pasting this HTML code on one of your pages of your website. Okay, now that we created the subscription form on Brevo, let's go to my website. I will create a new page. I will call it automatic newsletter form, and here I will start with slash or backslash and write HTML and click on custom HTML, paste my code here, click on preview. Okay, this page I will call it join my dog or get my dog's tips ebook. Click on publish again. Let's view this page. Okay, this is my sign up form page. For this, I will go with, for example, for the first name, I will go with Michael. I'm not sure. Let's go with Joe. It's simple. For this email address, I will use this email address that I have access to. Click on join my newsletter. As you see, I was automatically redirected to this page saying check your email to confirm your sign up. Okay, let's check my inbox. And as you see, I almost, after just 5 seconds, I received this message from myself. This is the email confirmation message that I received. Of course, you can, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Yes, I'm sure that if you search the Brevo settings, account settings, you will land on how to edit this page, this email. You can, or yes, this default email is okay. When you click on yes, subscribe me to this list, you will land on this page saying email confirmed successfully. Okay, now I should receive my immediate message. And as you see, it was received almost instantly. Let's open it. Hi Joe. If you see here carefully, the subject line used my correct name that I've subscribed using, which is Joe. Any contact in your newsletter will receive a specific subject line which is with its own name. Same thing here. Hi Joe. I've put together this free ebook. You can download it from here. And this message was received almost instantly. And after a day, automatically tomorrow or after exactly 24 hours, I will receive the other message in this automation that is active. I will receive this second email. This is the email I've just received instantly, and this one is after this waiting period of 1 day. And this is how to create a newsletter that automatically contacts subscribers in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to send a newsletter first email instantly in Brevo. In another way, how to fix this error message of at least one field is required to add a time delay. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then go to automations. And here, as you see, I have two automations, one active and one inactive. Let's work on this active automation or newsletter. Let's open it. As you see here, my first email that I want to send almost instantly have a waiting period that before it. But when I try to use 0 month, 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes to send this first email instantly after for submission or a contact is added to this list, I see that at least one field is required to add a time delay. So how to send this first email? Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. First email instantly, instead of trying to use 0 minutes in this waiting delay, you should delete this waiting period step like that. Click on these three dots and select delete. Here this automation is active, or this you may not see this message. Click on delete step, and just like that, this email will be automatically sent or immediately sent after someone is joined this list or met the criteria you've set. And this is how to send a newsletter first email instantly in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new message in your automatic newsletter in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then go to automations, click on open the automation that you want to add a new message on. This is my automation. For example, as you see, I have this rule of contact added to the list, send an email step, a waiting period step, and also another send an email step. Let's say I want to I want to create a third email. Okay, go to actions and look for send an email below messaging. Drag and drop this element and place it here. Now, automatically after sending this email, this one will be sent if it meets the requirements. I can also add a 1 day waiting period by closing this, go to rules and drag and drop this time delay element like that. And here I can select 1 day, for example. And just this way, I will have a waiting day. As you see here, there is an error message step being skipped. Save step to include it in the automation. Okay, after adding this send an email element, click on it. And here, click on add message to create a new message. I always recommend you to go with simple text-based template to have higher chances of meeting or to avoid the spam folder trigger. Okay, write the email message as you want. For example, dear customer, I will delete customer and I will add this variable first, or let's redo it again. Click on add variable, select contact attributes, look for the first name, and just like that, each email sent will use the email subscriber first name. It will be dear Joe, dear Bart, like that. After this, click on use this design in automation. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And you will exit to this workflow step. And after this, click on exit. As you see, my automation is active. Click on exit editor. Some steps have unsaved changes. Okay, my bad. Before clicking on exit editor, here what events data to display. Here you still need to fill in a subject line. This is my subject line. The subject line is required. The preview text is not. Select the sender email address. In my case, I use this this professional looking email address. After this, make sure to click on save to save this new email message. As you see, new message created. After this, you can exit the editor. And just like that, you've added a new email message to your automatic newsletter. And this is how to add a new message in your automatic newsletter in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.